is the time when the Channel V and MTV had become Desi. So it was cool to be Desi, yeah. And you know, when you wanted to give your friend a very typical, you know, guy is so like him. So then we couldn't find anything. That's when we started, okay, let's do a range of fun products. Okay, Happily Unmarried is in the business of selling fun. We say that because we don't know what else we can do and what else we want to do. There are too many things we want to do. But primarily we are a lifestyle and gifting company. We make fun products and we sell them in the internet and net stores and generally all over the country. Yeah.
It's a big party and the party started about 10 years back. I don't think so Rajat and I, both of us really had a clue as, you know, where it was going to go. I mean, we had a dream, we had a few ideas, but both of us were pretty clueless.
And we are not from a design background, so the obvious thing was to go and meet designers and tell them, look, we have no money, we have no idea, we have no business, but we want to make one product and sell them. And then started to, okay, listen, let's, you know, we have this idea of making an ashtray which looks like a, for instance, a pot, Indian loop. Can you make it for us? We met a guy who used to study in SPA, second year SPA. We liked his style. So he was one of the first guys who sort of designed with us on a regular basis. So that's why we dabbled in a lot of categories. So we do doormats, we do cushion covers, we do chai cups, we do shot glasses, we do t-shirts, everything. We do magnets. So the idea was not to become a kind of a company. So what else can we do which is fun? And it is, let's do live music.
We realized maybe there is a space for you know, an alternative source of entertainment where you're going out of the city. You don't have the compulsion of actually going back home, you know. So you are in the middle of the Himalayas for 2 or 3 days, a holiday. You're listening to great music with a great set of people around you. What more can you ask for?
So our idea was to club a good venue, good music and good people and see what happens. And then, you know, we've done 9 so far.
Happily Married was just a dream, and then, you know, initially the first few years were very, very shaky. They were also, there was a lot of struggle.
The company I'm talking about in Hyderabad, they did not pay us salaries for 6 months. They went broke. They had no money. We had no money. So we were trying to say, well, how do we raise money? And so we had a laptop that the company had given us. The laptop was pawned to some guy for 50,000 rupees. And that was the initial seed fund to start. So we initially borrowed from our friends. Whoever would give us money, we borrowed. You know, we ran company on credit cards. So we became a private limited company, and we told all our friends and believers that, look, this is the scene. We are doing well, but we need money. So we want to give you a stake, and we'll give you 100 shares for 3 lakh rupees. So we sold about 100 shares to, you know, each to about 5-7 friends and raised about 15 lakhs.
Well, the first big break was actually this corporate promotion that we did for Britannia, and it was really a big break. We did about, say, 40 million marbles, and this was for the World Cup promotion, or just after the World Cup in fact, and the Cricket World Cup I mean, and you know, in terms of pure profits and turnover, it actually gave us the capital to start.
So when we started, there was no brand building, there was no social media. It was purely word of mouth. That I think is the strongest way to get a brand going. If you are good enough that people talk about you, they recommend to your friends, they share it with your family, they talk about it, you're done, you're set. Yeah, so we are doing the usual thing. We're expanding, we're opening more stores, we are selling online, we get a lot of inquiry, we're selling at a store in Paris, we get a lot of inquiries from Indian in UK who wants to represent us. So we're doing for the entire Middle East region. There are talks with somebody in Australia. So yeah, that's happening, that's right, Mr. Bassett. Somebody would come from Japan, he liked our designs a lot and he doesn't want to change anything. He said, I'll take it as is because this is the attitude and it's a statement.
We have quite a few offline stores. In fact, we started as an offline model. Okay, online is something which came much later, and now online is becoming our of a focus area for us. But offline is what is our heritage is. We started with a store in Goa. That was our first store.
We have 7 stores in Delhi and 1 in Goa. We're opening more franchise stores. Will be coming up more. So that's planned for the next whatever. This year we're going to open 2-3 more franchise stores. And when we started, we did not know what we'll do. So we said, okay, we'll do, based out of our experiences, that nobody's targeting singles in the country. That was the crux. That was the line. That was the company. For a long time, this was just Rahul and me running everything, right from sitting with designers, getting products designed, to packing it, to delivering it, to billing it, we were doing everything. You need to do good products. You need to be honest to your customers, and you need to wait and give it time.
No, this is not about money. It's about fun. It's about dreams. It's about passion, which most entrepreneurs will tell you.
First thing is that make sure that you believe your idea. Make sure you believe yourself. It doesn't matter, money, no money, what people think, what people say. You have to have a conviction to yourself, because there'll be enough people telling you it won't happen. So you have to believe yourself and back yourself to that. That's really important. Otherwise, it won't happen.
When you're growing as a business, and initially in your first few years, you should set up your base where you're comfortable, where everything around you is known to you.
Don't chase success stories. Chase business models and chase what you're good at. Everything else will follow. With a name like Happily Unmarried, it's okay to not have a committed relationship with anything. So in products and ideas and services, we are evolving. We want to be in the fun category. So whatever is fun, we want to be part of that.
So start ignition, count to 0. I just wanna be a superhero.